Need to search the web without opening your browser first? Well, today I'll show you how to search the web directly with Keypirinha using its built-in web search feature. We'll cover how to use the default search engines, how to switch between them, and launch searches in just a few keystrokes. First, open Keypirinha using its keyboard shortcut. If you haven't changed the default settings, press Ctrl plus Windows plus K. The launcher should appear in the center of your screen, ready for input. Now type the web search keyword that matches the search engine you want to use. For example, type Google, followed by a space and your search terms. As you type, Keypirinha will display the matching command. Once the correct search command is selected, press Enter. Keypirinha immediately opens your default web browser and performs the search using the selected search engine. Yeah, Keypirinha can also work with other supported search engines. Depending on your configuration, you may have shortcuts for services like Bing, DuckDuckGo, Wikipedia, YouTube, GitHub, or many others. Simply type the appropriate keyword, add your search terms, and press Enter. If you want even more flexibility, you can create your own custom web search commands by editing Keypirinha's configuration file. This lets you add your favorite websites so you can search them directly from the launcher, and that's how you search the web with Keypirinha. Once you get used to these shortcuts, searching online becomes much faster without manually opening search websites first. So if this guide helped you, be sure to check out the rest of our Keypirinha tutorials. Thanks for watching.